Recently, police freed 33 Indian farm workers from slavery. So, in this context, you need to know about what is slavery and you have to explore the history of slavery in India. So, what is slavery? Slavery is when one person completely owns another person. The owner has control over the slave's life and work, often without paying them. Slavery has been a historical practice where individuals are treated as property and denied their basic freedoms. So, if you move on to ancient history, in Indus Valley civilization, some archaeological findings they suggest that presence of laborers and servants in households and workshops. But there is no definite evidence of slavery in IVC. So, if you move on to some contemporaries civilizations like Egypt or Mesopotamia, yes, there is evidence which suggests of chattel slavery. And if you are moving to early Vedic period from 1500 to 1000 BCE, we encountered the concept of dasatva, where slaves are called as dasas or dasis were acquired through warfare or as a form of bonded labor because of debt. And in Mauryan Empire from 322 to 185 BCE, which marks a pivotal era with explicit references to slavery during Emperor Ashoka period, especially major and minor edicts shows the evidence of slavery. And if you move on to post Mauryan period from 200 BCE to 300 CE, there are some inscriptions of Shatavahana and Kushan dynasties. They showed the evidence of slavery, and even some literary works and archaeological excavations during Gupta period from 4th to 6th centuries. They provide further insights into the slaves in the society. And in medieval period, during Delhi Sultanate time and Mughal Empire, yes, there was institutionalization of slavery which happened. And especially chronicles by historians like Barani and as well as travelers like Batuta, yes, they says about slavery in their writings. And after arrival of British colonial rule in the 17th century, they introduced more organized system of slavery, particularly through transatlantic and intra-Indian slave trade. But later on, Britishers they came up with acts to abolish the slavery. For example, Indian Slavery Act of 1843. And after we got independence, India came up with its own constitution. So in constitution, especially Article 23 under Part 3 of our Indian constitution, it means fundamental rights. They prohibits all form of slavery and as well as forced labor. And also we enacted some laws like the Bonded Labor System Abolition Act of 1976 to prohibit slavery and as well as bonded labors in India. And today also, India aligns with international human rights standards and also ratified conventions like International Labour Organization, which is ensuring protection and empowerment of every individual against exploitation. And even National Human Rights Commission plays a pivotal role in monitoring and addressing human rights violation, including modern forms of slavery. So, thank you so much.